everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Kory. Hey, today we're going to do a brunch slash whatever you want to call it thing. Susan, she's one of my subscribers, and she said, you know, you don't do any breakfast stuff. So hey, we're going to do a breakfast sandwich today on Cooking with Kory. It's going to be delicious. We're going to make a triple decker. You don't have to make it as big as I'm going to. You can make it single. Anyway, I was thinking about that and I thought, you know what? Hey, let's do a little thing with a few YouTubers and say, I want to see your breakfast sandwich. So Todd at Dad Incredible, you are up. I want to see your breakfast sandwich. Johnny at View to a Grill, I want to see your breakfast sandwich. And David, the old fat guy cookie, I want to see your breakfast sandwich. Oh, yeah, you know what else? Wyatt, you are up again. Let's see your breakfast sandwich. Hey, let's get cooking next on Cooking with Kory. Alright, our ingredients for today are some frozen hash browns, some jalapeno, some delicious Russ's homemade pork sausage. We got some delicious Black Label Hormel bacon. We got some cheddar cheese. We got a couple eggs. We got some delicious Dave's organic bread. And you know what? Hey, yeah. You see that right there? Yeah, we're putting the Bush's beans on it too. Hey, let's get cooking. Alright, it's time to get this cook started on our breakfast sandwich. So we're out here on our Blackstone. We're going to put down some oil. First thing we're going to do, put on some good old-fashioned hash browns because they always take the longest. And so let's do that. Let's do a pile there and a pile right here. See how good we can keep those together. But they need a head start. Look at that hash browns right there. Alright, we got our hash browns started. I actually put salt and pepper on those. A couple more things we need to add to go in here. First and foremost, we need to get this jalapeno on. Look at that. We're going to chop it up later. Just one jalapeno, not enough for Chop-O-Matic today, but you know, we're gonna get them going on there. And why not, while we're at it, let's get our delicious sausage patties going here. So one there and our other right there. Get those all going, and we will get the bacon going right over here on the side. We'll see that very good right there, but anyway, we're getting the bacon going over there. Okay, we got everything going now. Get back. And just in case anyone was wondering, yes, I do got Dad Incredible corn going on my kettle because I'm addicted to it. Yeah. Alright, this we got our stuff going on here on our Blackstone. Let's flip our sausage patties over and this smash down pretty good. And we cover our bread. We got our delicious jalapeno working over there, looking good. Our little hash brown nest, look at that, sticking together, doing good. How we want them. Oh, it broke apart a little bit. It's okay. All right, we're getting closer. We'll put the bread on. All right, our patties are about done. Our hash browns about there. So we need to do our bread. So I'm gonna put these over here where that sausage was. Soak up some of that delicious fat from the sausage. We're gonna crisp that up. Our beans are over there, about done. Here, I'll show you. Look at those. They're just heating up. That's what we're doing with that. And our bacon's over there. Hey, we're getting real close. Alright, our delicious sausage patties are, you know, they're done. So we need to flip these bad boys over. And, you know, it's time for some cheese. I mean, so a big hefty thing of cheese on both of them. And we're gonna let that melt away, and then we're gonna do a couple over easy eggs here quick. I'm gonna go get my hood, and we'll be back. All right, just melt some cheese. That's what we're gonna do here. We got our sausage patties there. We got those big with cheese on there. Let's throw some of that water on there and put a lid on that. That'll steam that cheese. It'll be nice and melty. And then we're gonna make some over easy eggs. And then we're gonna go in the house. We're gonna plate this bad boy up. All right, people. As you can see, our patties look delicious. They got a lot of cheese on them, looking good. We need a couple eggs though. Let's move these over. Add some oil to our black stone, and let's do 2 eggs here quick. 1 and 2. All right, we got those going. What we do need to add to those, obviously, a little bit of salt and some fresh cracked pepper. All right, 2 over easy eggs. That's gonna be the end of our building session. We gotta go ahead and build this big old Sammy next, and that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be delicious. Let's go ahead and, all right, let's flip one. I'll flip the other. We'll bring it in. We'll make it. All right, guys, let's build this wonderful, and I mean wonderful, breakfast sandwich we're making here. We got our bread down there. So add a layer of delicious hash brown to our bread right there, like so. And we're gonna add one of our delicious sausage pates. My impeccably clean hands, don't forget about those. They are impeccably clean. So we got some delicious bacon, and we're gonna give that some jalapeno right there, because you know jalapeno is a delicious thing. And we're gonna start with our first over easy egg, and you can see we're already draining out the side, which is excellent. All right, so with that, let's give it some of our delicious beans. That's always a good thing. And then we're going to top that with our second layer right there. And we need to adjust the camera because I'm getting too tall for this angle. All right, folks, we're back, and on that we will do our other layer of hash brown. The hash brown nuts that we got right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that a little bean right on there, because that toast and that could use a little moisture. So there we go. A little bit of our bean mixture right there. We're going to add our other delicious looking sausage patty right on there. And we are going to add some more delicious jalapenos to the top of that. We are going to add our delicious other egg right to that. I broke the yolk, but it's all good. Right there. Obviously, we're gonna top that off with 2 more pieces of delicious bacon. And I do got some jalapeno left, so we'll put that on the top. And we will shred some of our pork and beans over it again. Hey, Chris the Butcher, I bet you're just dying to eat this. Yeah. All right. We'll put our cap on it. We'll give it a little smush. All right, guys, that is our Sammy. That is our delicious breakfast Sammy right there. What do you guys think? Oh, I'm loving it. I'll tell you what. Let's cut into that sucker next. All right, we cut into it. You guys ready to see this? Let's look at it. Let's see how we did right there. Woo-wee! Look at that deliciousness, folks. Now that is a breakfast sandwich. I'll tell you what, right then and there. Hey, you don't have to make it that big. You can make it a single layer. You can add or take away whatever you want. There you go. That's the way we do a breakfast sandwich on Cooking with Kory. Don't forget to like, share, click the bell for Cooking with Kory. See you next week. Hey, don't forget, you guys. Hey, make your breakfast sandwiches, especially you, Wyatt.